To analyze a Debank wallet address import, start by understanding what Debank is. A platform that provides a comprehensive overview of your cryptocurrency assets and liabilities. Across various blockchain platforms, the first step is to access the Debank website and navigate to the Import Wallet section. Next, you will need to enter the wallet address you want to analyze. This can be a Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency wallet address. After entering the wallet address, click on the Import button to initiate the analysis process. Debank will then retrieve data from the blockchain and display an overview of the wallet, including the balance, transactions, and asset distribution. You can use this information to analyze the wallet's activity, including the number of transactions, the amount of cryptocurrency sent and received, and the wallet's current balance. To dive deeper into the analysis, you can use Debank's advanced features, such as the transaction history and asset allocation charts. The transaction history will show you a detailed list of all transactions associated with the wallet, including the date, amount, and type of transaction. The asset allocation charts will provide a visual representation of the wallet's asset distribution, making it easy to identify the wallet's most significant holdings. When analyzing a Debank wallet address import, it's essential to consider the wallet's security and potential risks. Look for any suspicious activity, such as unusual transaction patterns or large transfers to unknown wallets. You can also use Debank's risk assessment tool to evaluate the wallet's risk level based on its transaction history and asset allocation. Best practices for analyzing a Debank wallet address import include regularly monitoring the wallet's activity, using strong passwords and two-factor authentication to secure the wallet, and diversifying the wallet's assets to minimize risk. By following these steps and using Debank's advanced features, you can gain a deeper understanding of a wallet's activity and make informed decisions about your cryptocurrency investments.